Welcome to part 4 and the final chapter of our series of a day in the life with us on the boat, floating around in the glorious Pelorus Sound. In the previous episodes, which are linked in the description below, we went through our typical morning routine, including a breakfast in the sun with million-dollar views. We settled into a block of work, then spent the afternoon getting to grips with an underwater drone.
Down she goes.
The review video we produced for the drone is also linked in the description below, so please do check it out, especially if you are thinking about getting one for your own boat. The afternoon was spent in bikinis and shorts, just soaking up the sun and being outside. We pack up and get underway, looking for a great sunset spot for the night. Coming up in this episode, Hayley gets the kids hopping for chocolate. We fire up to Jenny and David gets busy in the galley, making an easy cheap meal for the boys and a much more colourful and healthier plate for the rest of us that actually love our veggies. Then we release the hounds, the birds. They take flight, terrorising us and each other. Finally, David heads to the beach in the dark and discovers a cave full of huge ancient insects. Enjoy the episode. We've run out of daylight, we're at the end of the day, and we went looking for moorings so that we would get a good sunset, and we've ended up almost back at Havelock, which is okay because we're heading there tomorrow anyway, so it just shortens the trip tomorrow. And we're tucked into a nice little bay. Sunset is about to happen. It's nice and calm. The generator's on. Mum's just done the dishes. Oh look, there's Sophia, just done the dishes. Yeah. And we're getting ready to get dinner sorted. So, what an eventful day. Underwater drone was a huge success. Key Bay, always stunning up there. Driving the boat in the sunshine, best thing ever. And now we end the day with finger clouds that no doubt will turn into an absolutely stunning sunset. Pretty cool. So we're finishing the day with a bunny photo shoot with a bit of sunset. Kind of. Mackie.
Hi, come with me.
And so we begin, foolishly laying our hearts on the table, stumbling in.
As dinner gets made and the photo shoot happens, it's time for little Shiloh to have some dinner. You go, girl. Here you go. Yum yum. Oh, you old girl. There you go, old girl. Yum. Eat it up.
Hi.
Oh, look. Just making ravioli for the boys because they're starving, whilst we have a big vegetable curry.
We've been driving for a long time.
It's been a big day.
Isn't it, Mickey? You hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry. So hungry.
And what's your favourite dinner?
Pasta, wraps, and ravioli. And chocolate.
Can you say ravioli again?
Ravioli. Ravioli, wraps, pasta, and chocolate.
Rats.
Wraps. Wraps.
Oh, it looks nice.
There you go, dude.
Cheese and olive oil. Bye.
Was that olive oil? How do you say it?
Olive oil.
Here you go, dude.
sun soaked for the fly. Soaked.
And here you go, dude.
Oh, thank you.
Easy dinner tonight.
Super easy dinner for boys.
It's delicious. Thank you. Thanks, Dad.
It's alright, dude.
Bye.
Much more complicated dinner for the big people. Dinner tonight, roasted potatoes, almost done. Chuck some cauliflower into the roast as well. And then we are going to have rice and a curry. So we've got some nice little broccoli and potato in there. Spinach. It's all go. I love cooking.
Even in the boat galley, the little tiny
I really do.
kitchen
Yeah.
space.
It's a tiny space, but it's got everything we need. And it's much better than cooking at a campground, isn't it?
You can do it inside.
You can do it inside. So we do have the generator going tonight because we drove for so many hours today. So we kind of ran out of daylight. But we can cook inside with the oven, which requires the generator. That's okay. Generator will be off soon.
But the generator's so good we can actually use that microwave up there if we want to.
Yeah.
And that's
Full
on.
240 power.
Fridge is solar, but
So we've got lots of kind of cheat ingredients. Packet curry, bit of packet extra curry. So we'll add to that with a whole lot of healthy veggies. Spinach, some beans. It's all good.
and you can't see the view. You having your dinner, chickpea? Lychee is. Oh no, what's Lychee doing? There's Nora. Hello, Nora. And Basil. They might come out soon. Poor Lychee's falling asleep. David's dishing up dinner.
Yeah.
So, time to...
Release the hounds.
Okay, the birds. Time to let the birds out. There's Nora, but she's David's bird, and
She's mine now. Are we letting out budgies?
he's around hot stuff. So let's get Basil. That's Sophia's bird. Come on, Bessie. Oh, show us a trick.
Dance. Yes. Dance. No.
He's not in the right mood. Oh,
Let these guys out.
yep. Budgies can come out.
Kevin. Come on. Oh no.
You might have to grab Lychee.
Come on. There you go. He doesn't want it. Come on. You try? Come on, baby. Come. Can pop some sweets?
There's Lychee
Oh, Wrigley.
and Chickpea.
Come on, baby. Ow!
Oh, and Chickpea.
You go there. Oh.
Oh, they're going to terrorise the cockatiels. This big cockatiel is scared of these little wee budgies. Aren't you, Nora? Here you go. Oh, she's going over.
Nora.
Oh no! Here's trouble. That's the blue one is the troublemaker. Oh no.
Welcome to our life.
Come here.
Birds on a boat.
There's Nora up here, always wants to be wherever David is, so is watching him cook. Basil has to be wherever Sophia is, and these two have to be wherever each other is.
So the apron comes off, dinner is done, which also means dun, 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 generator off.
So quiet
The
apart from
difference
Mackie's
is-
iPad.
It's amazing. Apart from Mackie's iPad.
And this is what dinner is. Look how healthy that looks. Curry, potato, broccoli, cauliflower, rice.
And then mood lighting
Yep, now it's time for the mood lighting. Ooh.
and Top Gun Maverick.
We watched half of it last night, but we got a bit
We've still got
tired.
an hour to go.
Yeah, it's a very long movie.
It was hard work.
And Basil's having dinner on Sophia. He's having dinner, Sophia.
Rice.
And the naughty little budgies are inside the cockatiel's cage,
Playing with toys.
playing with toys that they don't have in their boat cage.
Dinner time. Woohoo. Final mission, taking the dog to the beach. It's now dark. Charlotte, come on girl, let's go. And we'll take her down to the beach one last time. Under the moonlight. This is too good to not share. This is the first time I've been to this bit of beach. Oh, check this out. How cool is that? What a cool little cave. And look, Weta. Heaps of them. That's pretty special. I don't see that every day. Look at that. There's some big ones. And then further back. What a cool cave. Boat in the background. It's all a bit dark now. Right, back to the boat. It's really hard to show this, but there's actually phosphorescence in the water, in the shadow. You can't see the moon right now. It's not as bright as it is further out in the Sounds, but there's still certainly phosphorescence. If you haven't seen it before, it's quite a fantastic phenomenon. The water literally glows with electricity, I guess. Wherever there's movement in the dark, so now we're into the moonlight, won't see it. It's super special, but it's very, very hard to record. I've tried all sorts of different cameras, haven't managed to capture it. But last night, when we were out at Kitu, I could see fish chasing fish in the phosphorescence. There were the streaks of lightning. Tying up the tender for the night. We're almost back where we started. Full circle at the end of the day. Now, as I said this morning, this has been a habit that I learned early on in the piece, and I'm very, very happy that I've continued to do it. I've read and seen some terrible stories about people that have ended up in a whole world of hurt because they've needed to go at the drop of a hat in the middle of something catastrophic, in the middle of the night. They've fired up their engines in the dark. They forgot that they've got a tender at the back, or they just haven't factored in the tender. They've reversed backwards and the tender rope has gone under the back of the boat, fouled in the propeller shaft, and they've lost all propulsion. Now if you're dragging anchor and you're close to shore and it's rocks, that's going to be a terrible situation to be in. And that happens. So for the extra little mucking around to tie the tender off to the side, we can literally fire up the engines and go, and the tender will just be alongside the boat and it will be safe, out of the way, no problems whatsoever. We could drive like that for a long time, slowly, and then we could sort it out later. So this is too cute not to share, but this is the dog that was going to sleep outside, not going to come into the boat, certainly not going to sleep on anyone's bed, eh Maya? Good night, girls.
Night.
And so this is the end of our night. We will get a bit of work done. The kids are all asleep in bed, hopefully, and we've got some quiet time to just bust out another session of work. Pitch black outside, it's all good. Big busy day.
And yeah, we won't be up much longer because it's pretty late. But good night.
See you later. Thank you very much for watching and sharing in a little glimpse into our life. We really appreciate being able to share these videos with our friends and family and the wider community online that we are now meeting. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment, as all of this really helps our channel grow. We also have a Patreon account now too, if you would like to engage with us more and get access to a deeper layer of content, as well as some of the art we have been creating along the way. See you in the next video, and we hope you find a way to be a little bit naughty each and every day. Take care.